If you want to turn your website traffic into a serious revenue stream in 2026, choosing the right ad network is everything. The landscape has changed, and what worked last year might be leaving money on the table today. Welcome back to Top 5 Picks USA. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best ad networks for 2026 to help you get the highest CPMs and best fill rates. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Mediavine. Known for their incredible ad management and premium quality, Mediavine remains a top-tier choice for content creators with a solid U.S. audience. They focus on user experience and lightning-fast site speeds, making them a favorite for lifestyle and food bloggers. If you meet their traffic requirements, their high-paying advertisers are well worth the wait. Next up at number 4 is Ads Victory. This network has gained a reputation for its flexibility and developer-friendly tools. They offer great international and U.S. fill rates, making them a versatile choice if your traffic comes from all over the world. They provide a nice variety of ad formats, so you can monetize without cluttering your layout. In the number 3 spot, we have Monetize More. This is a powerhouse for publishers who want total control over their ad stack. They specialize in header bidding technology, essentially creating a real-time auction for your ad space to ensure you're always getting the highest possible price. Their Pub Guru dashboard is world-class for tracking every cent you earn. Coming in at number 2 is Ezoic. Ezoic is the go-to for those who want AI to do the heavy lifting. Their system automatically tests thousands of ad placements and sizes to see what performs best for your specific visitors. In 2026, their focus on site speed and core web vitals is stronger than ever, proving that you don't have to sacrifice performance for profit. And finally, our number 1 pick for 2026 is the new and trending Adsense. Adsense has been making waves this year with its ultra-modern, lightweight tech and incredibly high CTRs. They specialize in unobtrusive ads that feel like a natural part of your content, leading to higher engagement and better payouts. If you're looking for the cutting edge of monetization right now, Adsense is the one to watch. That's our list of the top 5 best ad networks for 2026. Which one are you currently using, or which are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks across the USA. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.